Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to add a layer of privacy to your Wix website, you're in the right place. Today I'll be walking you through exactly how you can edit the password page in Wix, so by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to secure individual pages with a password and control who can see your content. Whether you're setting up a client portal, sharing exclusive resources, or just want that extra bit of control, this is a super handy feature that every site owner should know how to use. Let's dive in and get started. Alright, the very first step is to head into your Wix dashboard and find the Pages section. This is where you'll see every page you have set up on your website, from your home page to About, Contact, or any custom page you've added. Now, before we go any further, it's good to know that Wix gives you total flexibility to password protect any or all of your pages. So don't feel limited. You can add passwords wherever you need extra privacy, not just on certain pages. Next, let's pick the page you want to protect. Hover over it and you'll spot those three little dots right beside the page name, kind of like a More Options button. Go ahead and click those three dots. This opens a menu with several choices for managing your page. What we're looking for here is permissions. Click Permissions and you'll see a few options pop up: Everyone, Password Holders, and Members Only. Here's a quick breakdown. Everyone means anybody visiting your site can access the page. Members Only is great if you've set up a login system for your site community, but for most situations where you just want a simple password gate, Password Holders is the way to go. So click on Password Holders. Now you'll see the option to set a password. This is where you type in the password you'd like users to enter before they can see your page. Maybe you want to use something unique for each client, or just a generic code for a welcome page. The choice is yours. Type in the password and take a moment here to make sure it's something secure but memorable, especially if you're sharing it regularly. Double check your spelling too, since anyone trying to access this page will have to match it exactly. Once you've set your password, the next step is to publish your changes. Just hit Publish at the top right of your Wix editor. This syncs your latest updates to your live site. This part might take a few moments, especially if you've made lots of changes recently, so don't worry if there's a slight delay. To test things out and make sure it's working exactly how you want, click over to the Publish Site button. This lets you preview your website as your visitors see it. Navigate to the page that you protected with a password. You'll see that Wix automatically brings up a password prompt, asking users to enter the code you just set. Go ahead and enter the password, but don't worry if you mistype it the first time. If the password matches, you'll be taken straight into your private page, and that's all there is to it. It really is that simple, just a few clicks, and you have a password-protected page that adds an extra layer of security and exclusivity to your Wix website. If you made a mistake, you can always repeat the steps to update your password or remove it altogether. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. It's a big help for the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues. I'm always here to help you out. And of course, if you want to keep improving your website with more straightforward tips like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.